The M6? Oh, dude, I love it. All right, Chris is back. Chris is back on the channel. Dude, he got some 437Ms for the F30. And we are actually going to dyno this car today. We don't really know where we're at as far as power. Maybe 550, 580 something. But heading over to Euro Empire, right? Euro Empire. Ready to get on the dyno. Yeah, should be a good one. Let's do it, man. Wow, that is crazy sounding. Sounds really good. Ooh, I'm stoked to see the numbers on Chris's car, dude. That thing's a beast. I literally just got the wheels on the car. Dude, I'm freaking out. They look so good. Oh my God. It just so happened that the Apex Race Wheels track car, which is an M2, had the exact same setup. So I just grabbed the setup off of that car and it fit like butter, dude. No spacers, completely flush, no rubbing, lots of meat. I'm stoked. I'm so stoked. I don't know, dude. I can't get over it. Like, they're just perfect. They roll so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And that brake fitment, though? Oh my God. All right, you guys. We are here at Euro Empire. Beautiful shop. A lot of space, a lot of cars here. Some interesting cars. Got Chris's car coming up here in a sec. We're gonna throw it on the dyno. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah, look at that. The nitrous, I'm just kidding. They slapped an R8 in this thing. What? This is crazy. This thing is just nuts. Lots of interesting cars in the shop though. E46 M3. This M550 is pretty interesting. Has an M5 engine in it. It's got fresh paint. Really, really nice build, like super clean. Beautiful gray E46 with the red guts, manual. This thing is sick, dude, so sick. Blacked out E46 with BBSs. A 6 Series over here with pure turbos. So this is their new dyno. So if you guys need dynoing done, you can always hit up Euro Empire. They got a dyno. Yeah, all right, cool, man. Catch me in dyno land. Pretty sick. It's a good looking shop though. Man, it is packed in here. They got a lot of stuff going on. Man, the mineral gray with the 437Ms. That is the move. I actually found these for Chris. He was looking for a set. Found them on, I believe it was Beamer Post with his brakes. Oh my God, it looks so good. I still got people asking for your diffuser. Yours fits really well too, actually.
It's not bad.
Highway to hell. What do y'all think?
My friend,
New thick whip? Do something like this? About to do 3 runs with the 335. So after each one, I'm going to show you guys what he puts down and we'll go over all the numbers and everything.
let's get it. I see. I got you. Way more than you got 597, 597, 565 torque.
Jeez.
Probably giving us a false reading there because it misfired and spiked up.
Oh, okay. All right, we got an accurate one, and he's right at 557. He's right at 557 and 514. Now that's 557 to the wheels at 30 pounds of boost. You said 30 pounds of boost?
I reached 30 pounds by mistake.
It's over boosting. Yeah. He has an overboost problem in fifth gear, and that's why you saw all those wild jumps in the back here. This one was obviously a good run. So 557. 557, man. Damn. Yep, 559. So that's what we're looking at. Good power, good power. So Chris is actually shooting for 650 once he gets the tune ironed out and a couple other little things that he's changing. He's gonna be looking at about trying to hit 650 on this car. Right now, the record for this car, this engine with big boost, I believe the record is about 623 or something in there. Don't quote me on that. But his goal here is to beat that and hit 650 wheel horsepower. I mean, dude, so far he's doing a great job. You're not gonna get much more consistent than that. 559 again. So that's what we're looking at. Wow, impressive. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
I think that's great, man.
Overall, we're gonna slowly go up, but 7th revision in, I'm happy. So.
All right, so you guys have it. 550, 559 to the wheels for his N55 Big Boost 335. It's actually all-wheel drive. It's an all-wheel drive dyno. Very impressive. If you guys are looking to get your car dynoed, an all-wheel drive dyno here, Euro Empire in Monroe, North Carolina. If you guys want to follow Chris's build, I did a feature film with Chris. I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can watch it. Really good film. Chris's car is super interesting. He does all the work himself. Just a fantastic build and a great guy. Make sure to go subscribe to his channel. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video is over, and we're out. Peace. You guys didn't think I was going to let you go without checking out the thick whip for another round, did you? Dude, this thing's looking crazy. Obsessed.